we released our Matrix kits.
Woo! We said we would release them the last live stream, and here they are.
Yes. So you can see here, Matrix Creator. This one is the Matrix Creator CV kit. We have 4 kits here. I'll get them all. So we have a Matrix Creator CV kit, a Matrix Creator kit, Matrix Voice CV kit, and Matrix Voice kit. So basically, in each kit is a power supply, a Raspberry Pi, an SD card pre-flashed with all of our libraries. So Raspbian Stretch Desktop, that's not our library, but our libraries Matrix HAL, Matrix Core, and all of our examples, plus a program that runs on boot to make the LEDs turn red.
So you know it's working.
Exactly. As well as either a Matrix Voice or a Matrix Creator, and in the case of the CV kit versions, they come with a Raspberry Pi camera. So here, I can open one up for you here. So here's the kit. It comes in this very nice carrying case. It's lockable. And then, this is it.
Ta-da!
So, power supply, Matrix Voice, and here, I can take out the voice. Comes a nice preformed case, and there it is.
SD card in there.
Yep.
All you have to do is plug and get going.
Yep. So these are already live on our website. You can either go to our main website, matrix.one. You can go to our new store, which is store.matrix.one. And specifically, if you go to our educators page, you can see all the kits and what you can do with them, because we're doing this big push. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I was just gonna say, so we'll show you right now.
Oh,
but,
yeah.
But yeah, keep going.
So we're doing this big push for education specifically. So whether you are a middle school or high school or doing some summer camp or you're in university, we want to show you how you can use Matrix devices to just, you know, ignite your potential and show you that like hardware really isn't that hard once you get used to it or just start using our devices, which make it so much easier. All you have to do really is program them. You can see how it's used in different areas like mechanical engineering, systems, computer science, robotics, drones, so on. Oh, here's like Roboy. That's
yeah. Wait, let me show you that.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no. Roboy, very
So
cool.
Roboy, so that is a robot that a university in Germany built, and the robot, its purpose is to basically simulate as much of the human body as it can through like motors, actuators, a Matrix Creator as the center in the chest being the audio device, hearing, using its 8 microphones, and yeah. So you can go to our site, see the kits, and purchase them if you'd like. Just so you know, we're coming up to the end of the year, so if you'd like a kit to be shipped before the end of the year, yeah, it's good to order them by Friday, because after then it's going to be difficult for us to ship things, and it'll mostly end up getting to you next year. And yeah, that's about it. Bye!